Are you looking for cheap flights? TravelAllLines.com. We work with many partner companies so you can have a huge choice of destinations, promotions and discounts. We find the best flight deals and you choose. Are you looking for shopping your travel gift or best travel supplies? TravelAllLines.com. Shop TravelAllLines.com as a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program. We find top travel tools for you. Are you looking for hotels to relaxing, accommodation, student or family Home-B&B? TravelAllLines.com. We find the best deal key for you. We work with over 100 travel websites to find the lowest cost of hotels, flights, car rentals, and airport transfer taxi. With our advanced search options and are you looking for fast trains arriving to your destination? TravelAllLines.com. Trains. We find for you the best deal fast way with a cheap ticket. Are you looking to rent a car from door to door? TravelAllLines.com. Cars. We offer you unmatched ease for booking the perfect dream vacation. We find the best deal your car key form airport destination to home. Are you looking for bike to get your tours fast around a city? TravelAllLines.com. Bike. We offer you unmatched ease for booking the perfect dream deal bike. Are looking for a guide to speak your language to help you for your tours? TravelAllLines.com. Tours. We're on a journey to transform ordinary trips into extraordinary ones. We are your guide, bringing your personal experiences wherever your travels take you.